Okay, so here we are, the next question, number 4 for our Unit 1 practice assessment. So here they've given us a polygon. And it's not like a simple rectangle or something like that, but it is a polygon because it's got all straight edges. And it says that we have to use a scale factor of 1/2 to create a new shape. So that means we take each of these numbers and multiply times 1/2. Four we would have already done. This is multiplication. I want to be very clear. 4 times 1/2. 8. Whoa. 8 times 1/2. I don't know what happened there. I'm sorry about that. And 6 times 1/2 for each of these. We know that multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. So 6 divided by 2 or times 1/2 is 3. So we know our new shape will have a side length of 3. 4 times 1/2 is 2, both times. So both of these will have a new side length, or actually there's 3 of them that are 4. This one will be a 2, and this one is a 2. 2 times 1/2 is 1, so the new one here will be 1. And 8 times 1/2 is 4, so my new side length will be 4. So if I draw my new shape, I'm going to make sure that the top line is going to be 4. The first side is going to be 3. Then I've got 1, 2, 3 sides that are going to be 2. So I've got this one, that should be 2. I'll grab a hold of that. Oh, that's okay. I was trying to do them all at once, but that's fine. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing here. And obviously you realize that these are not exactly proportional. I am doing my best here, but I am doing them freehand, so they aren't going to be exact. And then the last one I'm going to do is going to be 1. Now, you hopefully will be using a ruler, so your shapes will look a lot better than mine. So we're going to pretend that those are actually all attached. And I am going to label them with their side links. So this one is 3, this is 4, this is 4. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is. This is 4. Nope, those aren't 4s. Sorry about that. And these are both 2s. 2, 2, and my very last one right in the center there is 1. So my new shape should look like this.